To make perfect egg fried rice, follow my steps. This is recipe from my Chinese friend. Start by heating up the wok. Pour some cooking oil. Whisk 3 eggs. Once wok is hot, add the eggs. Keep stirring. You need to have your rice previously cooked. Once eggs are cooked, set them on side. To the hot wok, add rice. Add soya sauce and keep stirring the rice. Add some more soya sauce. We want the rice to be brown from soya sauce. Now add the eggs and still stir. Add some spring onions. And a bit more of soya sauce. This is mouth-watering, I'm telling you.